I have your January 2026 rental and sales market update for Tampa Bay and nationwide. Hi, I'm Michael Bilan with House2home Properties with a real estate market update for January 2026. We manage single-family homes in Tampa Bay, and we'll go over the rental market, eviction filings, home sales, and interest rates. We'll start with the rental numbers from the MLS. This is for houses in Tampa Bay, which will be Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. In January 2026, the median rent was $2,600 and the days on market was 47 days. Compared to the previous month, rents have remained the same and it's taking 6 days longer to rent a home in Tampa Bay. Compared to the same time last year, rents have gone up 4%, and it's taking 17 days longer to rent a house from a year ago in Tampa Bay. Okay, here are Zillow's national rental numbers. This is for the entire United States. In January 2026, the national median rent was $2,200. Compared to the previous month, rents have gone down 0.7% nationwide. And compared to this same time last year, rents have gone down 1.4% nationwide. And in the graph here, the blue line is Tampa Bay, the orange line is nationwide. You'll see that the median rent in Tampa Bay is relatively flat, but nationwide seems to be on a downward trend. Okay, the next graph shows the history of the days on market for Tampa Bay, which keeps going up. So if you have a vacancy and want to rent your home quickly, I would consider lowering the rent. Okay, here are the number of eviction filings in Tampa Bay. This is for Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. In January 2026, the number of evictions filed in Tampa Bay was 1,776. Hillsborough County had 1,276 eviction filings, and Pinellas had 500. There was a 17.9% increase in eviction filings from a month ago, and a 2.7% decrease in eviction filings from a year ago in Tampa Bay. I included a graph showing the eviction activity throughout the months. You'll see that eviction filings really spike in the month of January. Okay, the lease renewal rate for House2home Properties. Our lease renewal percentage as of last month is 86%. So we're renewing 86% of our leases. Okay, let's move on from the rental market to the sales market. Okay, now for the sales numbers from the MLS. This is for houses in Tampa Bay. These are homes sold in Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. In January 2026, the median sales price was $420,000. The days on market was 49 days, and the month's supply of inventory went up to 6 months. Compared to the previous month, house prices have decreased 3.9%, and is taking 2 days longer to sell a home in Tampa Bay. Compared to the same time last year, house prices have stayed the same, and is taking 10 days longer to sell a home from a year ago in Tampa Bay. And here are Realtor.com's national home sales. This is for the entire United States. In January 2026, the median home sales list price was $399,900. That is unchanged from the previous year. The days on market was 78 days. That's 5 days longer to sell a home from the previous year. And the number of new sales listings increased 0.7% from the previous year nationwide. In the graph here, the blue line is Tampa Bay and the orange line is nationwide. You'll see that the median sales price in Tampa Bay looks like it's on a downward trend compared to the median sales price nationwide, which looks relatively flat. Okay, now for the national 30-year fixed rate mortgage. This is per the St. Louis Fed. In January 2026, the mortgage interest rate was 6.09%. From the month prior, the interest rate decreased a little, 0.9%, The previous month's rate was 6.18%. And from last year, the interest rate decreased almost a full percentage point, 0.95%. The previous year's rate was 7.04%. And in the graph here, you'll see that mortgage interest rates continue on a slight downward trend. That's your market update for January 2026. I hope you found this helpful. If you need property management, please reach out to me. My name is Michael Belon, and I'm always here to help you with your property. Thank you for watching.